In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Gmail password in Google Chrome. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need to retrieve it for convenience, knowing how to locate it in Chrome can be a real lifesaver. Let's dive into it and make this process as simple as possible for you. Firstly, open up Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of your browser, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon. This menu is your gateway to all the settings and tools Chrome has to offer. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list. From this list, look for the Settings option and select it. This will navigate you to the Settings page where you can customize and control various aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're on the Settings page, you'll want to direct your attention to the section labeled Autofill. This section manages the various autofill options that Chrome can handle for you. Under this heading, there will be a link for passwords. Go ahead and click on it. This section is sometimes referred to as the Google Password Manager, and it's here that Chrome stores all of your saved passwords securely. Now that you're in the passwords area, you should see a list labeled Saved Passwords. This is where Chrome keeps track of all the passwords you've allowed it to save. What we're looking for specifically is the entry associated with mail.google.com, or if you know the specific Gmail account you're after, you can search for that. Simply browse through the list until you locate the entry relevant to your Gmail account. Once you've found the Gmail password entry, you'll notice a few things. There's the website address, your username or email, and the password, which is hidden for security reasons. To reveal the password, you just need to click on it to open up the entry details. Located next to the concealed password, you'll see an eye icon. This icon functions as the Show Password button. Click on the eye icon, and if prompted, enter your computer's password to confirm your identity. Once done correctly, your Gmail password will be displayed clearly. And there you go. You've successfully retrieved your Gmail password using Google Chrome. Remember, it's always important to keep your passwords secure. Make sure that your computer and Chrome browser are protected with strong passwords themselves, and consider using a password manager for added safety and convenience. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to practice responsible internet safety.